Google Books has an Ngram viewer. If you go to books.google.com/ngrams, this will search 5 million books over the last 500 years. So it will show you a chart of different words. And automatically, when you come to this page, it has Albert Einstein, Sherlock Holmes, and Frankenstein in here so that you can see the comparison of how many times these words were used in books at different years. So I also tried to do a couple other examples. I did communism, which apparently peaked in 1963 and then has gone down in 2007. And I also put in, technology, which was pretty much non-existent before 1918, 1920, and then obviously it completely rose all the way up past there. Kind of staggered a little bit in here from 1987 to 1992, but then comes back up again. So you could use this with your students. You could take words and kind of look at a study of words and talk about why those words were prevalent at different times. I could see this used in history and English. There could be maybe even in religion. There could be all different ways that this could be used, even science and math. So if you're looking for a way to study words, here's an easy thing that you can use.